Hi everyone, I'm Atamio. Next I'll explain to you the detailed functions of each of our blocks. Now let's start the introduction of block S1. In the S1 block, which is the area of this yellow circle block, at the top of the S1 block, 2 buttons are designed in total. The purpose of these 2 buttons is for switching languages. Currently it only supports switching between traditional Chinese and English versions. Then the function of the second row is the basic map channel data display. It corresponds to the function of S4. That is to say, whether your map data information has grabbed the correct maps will be displayed in the data content here in S4. And another function is an advanced version of the map data function. It can know more accurately how many maps there are in total. In the target folder you grab, its map quantity will all be displayed in the list of S4. Next is the selection of the map path. For the map path selection, we can key it manually. We'll click the folder icon to make a selection. Our map path selection is very smart. We can just select the parent folder. We'll select the correct path position on the subfolder. Both of the above can be selected. Next is the name of the map path. The map path name here refers to the name of your target subfolder. For example, what I am targeting now is this map path folder. This pack of maps is called wood 065. Then correspondingly, the name inside must also correspond to wood 065, and so on. I can just enter wood 065 directly here. This way, Smart PBR engine will automatically search that folder for all corresponding maps. If you want to correspond to multiple sets of maps today, then correspondingly, each set of maps must be keyed in. For example, I am now grabbing this rock. Similarly, my main path is set at the position of the parent folder. So next to wood 065, I need to add a comma and enter rock. This way both sets of maps can be read. Next is this block of mesh. This block of mesh refers to when you have a lot of meshes for scene objects. You will first create a cube and copy 2 cubes for an explanation. I choose the name as cube A and the other as cube B. This way, my scene will have 2 cubes. If today I want to control my cubes in detail, each one corresponding to a specified map path, then use the mesh method below. You right-click the plus sign to create 2 blank spaces. Then you select my mesh option, and I can find my cube A. I can tell it, for this cube A, I want to control and specify it to paste to the corresponding map with 065. And for the second cube B, I give it the corresponding rock. This way, Smart PBR engine will automatically grab and correspond to the specified map name and model. That's the explanation of S1.